everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Friendly. In today's class we will do question number 4 of exercise 2.1 from second chapter whole numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us read the question. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Okay, so what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, if we go on writing the numbers, that whole collection starting from 0, that whole collection will be known as whole numbers. This collection of numbers are known as whole numbers. So now what is the question, that how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Suppose, so like that, if we go on writing the number, we will write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be 15, again 16, 17, like that. We can go on writing the number. We will get 32. Then we can go on writing the number. We will get 53. So the question is, there are how many whole numbers are there between? We can write the numbers after this also. Endlessly we can write. It will not have any end. Okay. So these all collection of numbers are known as whole numbers. So the question is, how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Okay, so the gap between these two numbers is more, so there will be more numbers between these two numbers. Suppose now, if someone asks you that how many whole numbers are there between 1 and 4, you can say that 2 and 3 are the whole numbers between 1 and 4. Okay, since the gap is small between 1 and 4, you can very easily say that the two whole numbers between 1 and 4 are 2 and 3. Okay, again if someone asks you how many whole numbers are there between 7 and 11, you will write 8, 9 and 10. So the whole numbers between 7 and 11 are these three whole numbers. Okay, you can very easily say. But when the gap is more, here also we can write the numbers 32, 33, 34, like that. We can go on writing the numbers up to 53 we will come, and we will find that how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. We can count the numbers and we can tell that these many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. But suppose when the gap is large, suppose if someone asks how many whole numbers are there between 1236 and 5984. How many whole numbers are there between these two numbers? So will you go on writing the numbers and you will count that how many whole numbers are there between these two numbers? No, it is not possible, because there will be many more numbers between these two numbers. So what we will do, we will find a formula to know that how many whole numbers are there between two given numbers. Between two given numbers, these two are the given numbers, how many whole numbers are there? Between these two given numbers, how many whole numbers are there? We will find a formula so that we can apply that formula to any numbers and we can find that how many whole numbers are there between the two given whole numbers. So let us find that formula. How to find that? See, if we have to find that how many whole numbers are there between 7 and 11, what we will do, we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. We will do 11 minus 7. We got, it is 4. So are there 4 numbers between these two numbers? No, there are only 3 numbers. So what we have to do, from this 4 we have to subtract 1. We got 3. It means there are 3 whole numbers between 7 and 11, right? To find how many whole numbers are between between 1 and 4, what we will do? We have to subtract 1 from 4. See, we got 3, and so are there 3 whole numbers between 1 and 4? No, there are 2 whole numbers. So what we will do? We have to subtract 1 from this 3. We will get 2. It means there are 2 whole numbers between 1 and 4. Okay, same formula we will apply to this question and we will find that how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. So let us do that. So let us do the solution of this question. See, 32 and 53. how many whole numbers are there between these two numbers. So what we will do? First we will subtract 32 from 53. We got 21. Okay, now from this 21 we will subtract 1. We got 20. It means there are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. So what can we write? There are, how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? So what is the solve? What we did? We subtracted 32 from 53. We got 21. From this 21 we subtracted 1. We got 20. This 20 gives us the number of whole numbers between these two numbers. So there are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. This way you can find any number of whole numbers between any two given whole numbers. You can apply this formula to find any number of numbers between two given whole numbers. Okay, so understood this? If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives. If you are new to my channel, then you can subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. So meet you in the next class. In the next class, we will do question number 5 of this same exercise from 6th class Maths NCERT book. So till then, take care. Bye.